Hey guys, this is how I throw a fishing rod. It's now raining. If I catch a fish, good luck for me. I've got a much better one, but it kind of went down. And if you want to throw it pretty far, the trick is having one of those metal bobby thingies. Not a bobby. I have no. Oh yeah, you see my bobby? You can just barely see it, guys. This is like, and the trick is doing like that, and it's really slippery because it's rainy. Like, show them the water. Maybe they can see the water. I know they can't see it right now. See, it is raining, and I am freezing cold. That one was just for like slow motion.
Reeling it back in.
So you kind
no
of
fish today.
Actually,
So one day maybe we'll do a video of us going fishing and the whole setup and everything and going out in the boat. So stay tuned. This one's just a short video. Show them one more time how you throw that thing in the water.
So you hold this button down, and then when it's kind of like right here, you let it go. Like, yeah.
Hey.